Ready to take a break? Log out of Deepseek in a few taps, but first make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide and today I'll walk you through the process of how to log out of your Deepseek account. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Deepseek app by tapping on its app icon. Once inside the app, look for the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open the app side menu. In the menu, tap on your email address at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up your account settings. In the account settings, you will see the logout option. Tap on it to begin the process of logging out. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Logout again to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, you will be logged out of the app. So this is how to log out of your Deepseek account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.